Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris Cruiser 230. We got it in this awesome blue color with the black rails. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. So we'll start way up here in the bow. You can see we do have this awesome bow walk-through door with the holder there, so you can leave that door propped open. Makes for a nice breezeway through the boat here. To give you an idea of your size in the bow, for instance, I'm about 6'3", so I can lay out and stretch out here, and there's still plenty of room. And then that bench on the starboard side is even bigger than this one over here on the port side. Underneath each of these, you do have nice big storage compartments. And on either side of the bow, you've got 2 cup holders as well as USB and USB-C plugins. So we'll make our way back a little bit. You can see your side walk-through door right here on your port side, and that's right next to your dedicated cover storage that you got on board right here. Good spot to keep the cover, doesn't get in the way when you're underway, and you're not taking up any storage compartments over here or in the back. Take a quick look at the helm. This boat does have the Clarion stereo system, so it's a nice 4-speaker system. Plenty of noise for this boat here. And you got your analog Harris gauges on there. Got that digital screen to show a couple different things, such as hours, battery voltage. Got some manual switches, and then your Mercury throttle over there. This is the captain's chair that is exclusive to the Cruiser. So it's that nice interior with the adjustable armrest, and it swivels as well. Then over here on the port side, you've got your main lounger, and this does hide your trash can that you have on board. More cup holders and USB plugins, and then one of the coolest parts back here is this adjustable lounger. So you can lay it flat, rock it up to face aft, or when you're underway, you can face forward there. Underneath this lounger, you got a nice big storage compartment. You can keep just about anything you need to while the boat's underway. And over here is a dedicated cooler. So it's built into the boat, got insulated walls, you can fill that up with ice, and then at the end of the day, just pop that drain and it'll all drain out throughout the bottom of the boat. Nice tow bar back here, so this boat's ready to pull a tube or a skier. It's got plenty of power with that 150 it's got. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You guys, from me, Blake Holbrooks.